Hello everyone, Jason Smith with the Bridge Podcast here. Have you ever wondered why Sanya is such a popular destination and tens of millions of people go there every year? Then this video is for you. China's Hainan Island is a tropical resort on par with the greatest locations in the world. 81 million people visited Sanya city in 2021. Go yachting and book through a hotel for a fraction of the cost of other islands in the region. A day out yachting includes scuba diving, jet skiing, water jet packing, and more. You can even fly around the Sanya area in one of several affordable helicopters. For dining at a discount, I recommend the Market by the Hilton, which is popping at night and has hundreds of shops. If you don't like crowds, then go there in the afternoon.